I have a Bradford-White 40-gallon HWH with a Honeywell WV8840A1000 controller unit, installed new in November 2011. With no pilot light on, I followed the instructions and turned the unit to off position, waited a little more than 5 minutes, set knob to pilot, pressed the igniter and successfully lit the pilot light. At this point, the instructions say to hold the knob in the pushed-in position until the LED status light blinks. I have held it in this position for up to 10 minutes, and never received a blink, and as soon as I release the button, the pilot light extinguishes. Suggestions, please.
It is your thermocouple. As this model is a flame guard unit, you will have to buy the unit from a local Bradford-White distributor. This will include a new striker, pilot supply line, thermocouple, and access plate seal. Do not attempt to light the unit with the shield removed or try to reuse the old shield. That will activate the flame guard feature, and a certified tech will be need to fix it. Sorry, reuse the old seal.
Thanks, XXXXXXXXXX. Look to see if I can find the above stated items.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.